Very good morning, students. Welcome back to Science 1 online class. Today, let me explain color. Color of sunlight. Light is a form of energy in the form of a wave that simulates that retina of our eyes. Visible light is a spectrum of a number of waves with different wavelength range from 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 power minus 9 meter. Each wave has a definite wavelength represents a particular color. The band of visible light is VGR. The band of visible light is VGR. Violet color has shorter wavelength and red color has a longer wavelength. When a light ray of particular wavelength strikes the retina of our eye, our brain perceives that specific color. When all colors of visible light that strikes the retina of our eye at the same time, our brain perceives white. This shows white is not a color at all. This shows white is not a color at all. But it is the combination of all the colors of the visible light spectrum. If all the wavelength of visible light spectrum give appearance of white, similarly, the observe of all their wavelength of visible light will lead appearance of black. Next, prism. What is prism? A prism is an object made up of a transparent material like glass or plastic that has at least two flat surfaces that form an acute angle less than 90 degrees. When white light is passed through a prism, which is shown in the figure here, the colors of the rainbow emerge from the prism. When white light is passed through a prism, the colors of the rainbow emerge from the prism. You can clear with this figure. Newton disk. Newton suggested a process of mixing different colors to make white color by setting an arrangement as shown in the figure here. Newton disk is a cardboard disk with 7 equal sectors colored red, yellow, orange, green, blue, indigo and violet. When the disk is turned quickly, the retina receives the sensation of the spectrum simultaneously and disk appears white. Using this disk, one can explain that white is a combination of VGR. White is a combination of VGR. We know that white shirt will reflect white light and we have seen that white light consists of different colors. When we look at the white shirt through the yellow gelatin paper, we see it has yellow in color. From this, we can say that the yellow gelatin paper did not allow any other color except yellow to pass through. Similarly, we conclude that a red gelatin paper allows only red light and blue gelatin paper allows only the blue light. Next topic is synthesis of color. Synthesis of color is a method of creating color by mixing various proportion of 2 or 3 distinct colors of light. These distinct colors are red, green, blue, called as primary colors. Equal proportion of two primary color create a secondary color. Magenta, cyan and yellow are called secondary color. Red plus blue gives magenta. Blue plus green, cyan. Green plus red, yellow. Equal proportion of all three primary colors create white. What are the colors? Red, blue, green. When you mix equally, we can get white colors. Next, why danger lights in vehicles are red in color? The first reason, red color is scattered the least by air molecules. The second reason, red color has the highest wavelength of all the colors. So, red color is able to travel the long distance through air. I hope you are understood, students. Next, how to make a rainbow? Let's make a rainbow, students. Listen me carefully. You must surely have seen a rainbow in the sky. Why don't you try making one at your classroom or else at your home? Place a flat but deep pan. Place a flat but that should be deep pan. Place this pan where there is direct sunlight. Place a plain mirror in the pan so that you see sunlight reflected on you, on your ceiling or on white wall. Next, slowly pour water into the pan. At particular level of water, you will get a beautiful rainbow colors on the wall. If the colors are not clear, adjust the position of the mirror to bring it into focus. This arrangement of colors in sunlight is called spectrum. Did you understand, students? I hope you understand. Thank you, students.